NASDAQ 100 and US30 trading almost in range with a slight bullish bias. US100 has gone close to 15,400, 15,390 levels. It has failed to stay and reversed from there. And at the same time, US30 also breached past 35,200, failing to stay as reversed. So now what to expect with the US session today? Which position you should take trading Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones and at what levels? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First Nasdaq and followed with Dow. Watch till the end. Those who are new to the channel, let me share. This is the second update for the day. The first update is released before the Europe and Asia session. Definitely it would have helped you in your trading so far. So let's start. And yes, your every like, every share, subscribe and comment is a great motivation for me always. I always appreciate this. So please do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. Also, you can remain updated with the market moves by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look US100 on the hourly chart. See, anyway, this is the bottom. This is the bottom. It is not willing to break past by 15,250 till now. Now, one point which we had discussed in the session today morning, that see if you divide this complete range, this comes out to be almost 270 points. And if you take the median of this 270 points is almost at around 15,395, 400 levels. So now this is the median level. Precisely from the median it is reversing again, and hence once you see it trading above 15,400, now you can again stay long. Previously it was 15,380. In fact, you can buy at 15,380 itself, but then 15,400, 420 are two major resistances. Then 450 will come into picture, and if it breaks past 450, what it will try to do? It will try to achieve the highs of this channel, which are situated at around 15,500, 600 levels. But if you look at the hourly chart, see now it is getting a downward push here. It may try after this red candle, it may try to come here. So 15,300 is the first support, and then it will try to also fill the gap here at 15,280. So till then we have to be watchful. The stochastic has dropped here, MACD converging here, trying to cross over for sell. RSI is flat, and on the 2-hour chart. Now look at 2-hour chart. See, these two candles are important. Lower highs, lower lows. Yes, if it breaks past this zone at 15,380, 370, you can buy here, expect 400, 420. And beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. We can expect 450, 500 levels. Stochastic looking down. MACD trading with little divergence. RSI almost flat. Coming to 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, flat top is something is the area of concern, and lower lows, which suggests 15,300. 280, which is the gap, and then 250. These are the three major support levels for Tech 100 today. Below 15,250, you know one fact that 15,200 is a very good support levels for Tech 100. Below 15,200, we may see dropping below 15,000 also in the near future. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent in bullish, RSI is almost flat on the 3-hour charts. Coming to 4-hour charts. Now on the 4-hour charts, the previous candle has higher highs, lower lows. Now the top of this, also the 20 period moving average, is at 15,400 levels. And at the same time, the lower end of this channel is at 15,300 and the gap is at 15,280. So these four levels are very important. Also, if you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over here and since then trading with divergence, and hence 400, 500 zone is also the next strongest resistance zone on the upside. Stochastic has retraced. MACD trading with divergence on the 4-hour chart, it can lift the price a little up. RSI almost flat. Coming to the day. On the daily charts, my only observation is the higher lows which it is showing, which also suggests, and see, it has formed a wick. It can reverse also. It can give you red candles. Do not think that it cannot break on the downside. It can. And that is why I say you can sell here at 15,300 itself, but 280, 250, 200. These are the three major support levels. Below 200, anyways, it is going to drop heavily. At the same time, you can also see it has created a step. With that step, it is trying to rise. It has formed a tail. So possibly we may see 400, 450. Now see, moving average also here is at 450 levels. So this is a great resistance, and it may try to achieve those levels for one before looking downwards. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI flat. Considering this, you can buy here at 15,380 and sell at 15,300. If you are buying at 380, 400, 422 major resistances, then 450, 500, two next major resistance levels. Hence, till 15,500, we have to just watch and observe more carefully. On the downside, a sell entry can be taken at 15,300, but 280, 250, two major supports, and then 200, third major support. Largely saying 15,200 to 500 is the zone where one has to exercise extra caution. Take your trades accordingly. Now, let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30, what it is trying to do here is sharp drop. It is trying to trade in this bearish channel. I'll wait for it to break past 35,180. Now, above 35,180, see, actually I will be looking forward to 35,300 levels, which is also the median and the pivot of this complete levels. You can see the top here at 35,500 10 levels and the lows at around 35,05. So almost 470 80 points, and the median is at almost at around 35,270, 35,300. Hence, for once it should touch these levels, and this might fetch a little, almost 100, more than 100 points from these levels currently. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is almost flat and not indicative of anything. RSI is trying to look upwards and show up a little strength here. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, couple of points you should just wait for it. Lower highs, lower lows, just wait for it to break past 35,180. Beyond that 200, and then we can see 275, 300 levels. 300 is what I will be looking forward to. Let's wait and watch. Stochastic dropping here. MACD is almost trading with a bearish bias, but it is trading at a very lower levels, and hence it can show a pullback. RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour charts breakout, it has erased all the gains here. Now retracement, first candle. Now see, complete movement so far is engulfed between this candle. Now you should look at falling back within this channel, which means 35,300 levels can get achieved, and beyond that only the bulls will try to take over. Else achieving 300, it can reverse. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here, and this is still trading at a very low levels on MACD, and hence a little retracement on the upside cannot be denied. RSI flat. Coming to 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, if you look at, see, previous candle was a swing candle, higher highs, lower lows. Now also one must observe the support it is seen at 35,100, very strong, and that is why I said in the Asia session update that a sell entry is only below 35,100 or 080 zone. Once it is broken, this time we may see it hitting below 35,000 levels, and on the upside 35,250 is what the maximum resistance it will get, and 35,300 anyways is there. Stochastic rising, MACD is willing to convert crossover for buy. RSI is looking upwards and showing up a little strength. Coming to the daily. Now what has happened on the daily chart? See, 20 period moving average is attained. It is getting the support, higher lows are seen, and with that it is trying to retrace. Also one must look at lower highs here, which means here it is maximum resistance or consolidation zone. So on the upside 34,400 and 500, these are the two levels you should look for. On the downside, we have to wait for it to break below 35,000 levels in order to confirm the bearishness. Now you can sell in fact at 35,100 today. Below 35,100, 35,050, 35,000. These are two major support levels. Below that, certainly it is looking at 34,900, 800 zone. However, one point you should note that this time if it breaks below 35,000, that will be just a break, and it can show you a pullback from those levels, like reaching 34,970 or 950. It can show you a pullback immediately above 35,000 levels. That will most probably it can try to do that a little gimmick here. On the upside, above 35,200 you can buy, expect 250, 300. 300 is where very little resistance is there, and then beyond that more bullishness may prevail, and we will look forward to 400 plus levels. See, stochastic here is oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish. It can converge a bit. RSI is flat. Considering this, buy at 200, sell at 100. In between these 100 points, do not take any position. On the upside, be careful till 300 levels. On the downside, be careful for 35,000 levels. In between these levels, we have to be watchful. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. It is always a great motivation for me. So please, before leaving the video, do press the like button. Also, you can join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is starting today. You can also enroll now for 25th batch. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Again, reach out to the same IDs for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you. Do watch the next update before the Asia and Europe session tomorrow and press the bell icon. Join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.